Hello, I am Dr. Vinod Vadthya, consultant interventional cardiologist at Onus Robotic Hospitals. I am passionate about delivering cutting-edge care to the patient with heart conditions. In years of experience in interventional cardiology, I have honed my skills in minimally invasive procedures for the conditions of heart complex conditions. From angioplasty, stenting to more advanced interventions in patients with more complex conditions. So, here in cardiology, just treating the patient not the thing, about treating the whole condition of the persons. So, with this I would like to tell that those patients with heart conditions, be aware of your heartbeat and your BP levels, sugar levels and cholesterol levels. So, I would like to thank you, Onus Robotic Hospital, for considering me for your healthcare needs. To be part of this healthcare, I am very honored. Thank you.